What's up, spiritual gangsters? This is my free gift that I got for Bunju Berries from Bunju Berri. It was delivered to me, and they were running a promotion this month. So I got my Miracle Face Cream. Can't wait to try it out. Can you guys see my skin is still popping? And yeah, they were running a promotion in the month of August. And yes, we're going to be sharing more black businesses and yeah, catch up with them on how they are doing. This is me unboxing and packaging my free gift that I had from their promotion. Bunju Berri on TikTok and on Instagram. I will reshare their details on where to find them. Enjoy.
Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just
so besides the kick-ass soaps that they have, they've since expanded into miracle face creams, serums, body butters, evo butters, coconut oil butters. So yeah, please do show them some love. See the range of products that they have. All right, see you on the next episode.